Well, the 16th of February. Can you believe a week ago it was 76 degrees and I was riding my bike all day. Now my bike's just right over there. She's locked up. Cold. Probably got about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches, I'd say. Well, not all was lost. How you doing, Dozier? How you doing, Dozier? We went to the creek yesterday before the weather came. Found this. Oh, that chopper, I guess. That thing is, that ain't dull anywhere. It's got sharp edges all the way around it. I don't think I ever really used it. Got the flat on the back, Cortex. But, not too bad. Kind of cool. Kind of a cool tool. And then there's this little thing. And at first I thought it was nothing. Just a uniface type thing, I thought it was just a flake. I got to looking at it a little bit harder. And it's been work. With the little micro flaking all the way around the bottom of it. Over here, like a little saw on this edge. I don't know if this camera's gonna pick it up or not. Kind of a crowed old piece of rock. All kinds of inclusions in it, with fossils and just a rough old stone. But I don't know if that was a crude arrowhead or tip or if it's just a little, finger knife type thing or what. Kind of looks like an arrowhead of some sort. Not sure though. Anyway, it made its way home. And then, made this last night. Mahogany obsidian. So little I can't hang on to it. Turned out pretty nice, So, I guess we'll just sit here and watch the snow. It's awful bright out there. There's Missouri. This level will be 80 degrees in 2 days. I don't think it will be, but you get the point. Goes from one extreme to the other. Always has, and Probably always will. But anyway, thanks for watching. Anything to say to her? But thanks for watching, and stay warm out there. If you're in Missouri, hope your shovel's handy. Talk to you later.